I better watch Netflix all day, but he literally watched TV.
You know, for a moment, I really believed it was Jonathan, the killer. Ironic. I'm so glad you were wrong. And I'm so glad they're all benzos. Now she's entombed with them. God, I'm just so relieved it wasn't you. I would die without you. Jenna's really more second tier. I mean, I'm gutted. I really am. I don't.
So where are the other degenerates?
In the drawing room, snoring.
I saw Mr. Morse, who's downstairs.